Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the AAS token. Ticker symbol is AAST, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 3rd, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the AAST token, or the AAS token. Now, this is a utility token of the AAS ecosystem, and it is a community-powered ecosystem that aims to give people back their freedom and take control over their finances through 7 key utility offerings. Through the AAS token, we channel resources towards feeding the poor, facilitating gadget acquisitions, supporting various charitable initiatives, addressing hunger, enhancing financial stability, providing education, facilitating digital access, poverty acquisition, gadget procurement, means of payment, e-learning, exchange platform, farming, staking, and NFTs. Now, it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 3rd, at exactly 12 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search AAST, and then simply just buy the token. Now, this is a token on the Binance Smart Chain. It's a BEP20 token. And according to their BSC scan, it says 2 holders. So this token is not even available on PancakeSwap yet. 18 decimal places on this token. And there is a max total supply of 10 billion tokens. Now, their official Twitter is in the corner of the screen over there, at Afriq Arbitrage, and they have their official webpage listed on there as well, so you can see that. They have 18,900 Twitter followers. If you go to their webpage, they also have a full 5-page white paper on there that's going to have all the information on here about the AAS token. So their mission, the AAS ecosystem, is a community-powered ecosystem that aims to give people back their freedom and take control over their finances. Their vision is empowering lives through financial inclusion, education, and community development. Now, their target beneficiaries are widows, less privileged individuals, students, and local communities. So the problem statement, the challenges are hunger, lack of financial stability, limited educational opportunities, digital exclusion, economic instability, and underprivileged communities. Their solutions are comprehensive approach to feeding programs, regular food supply to widows and local communities, financial aid, microfinance support, skill training and financial stability, educational support, scholarships, e-learning access, gadgets, distribution, digital inclusion, means of payment integration, local business empowerment, property acquisition, purchase of shelter and for vulnerable families, gadget purchase, procurement, why can't I talk today? Procurement of electronic devices for students and community centers, exchange platforms, so launching a token exchange for easy trading, farming and staking, implementing farming and staking opportunities for token holders, and NFTs, creating a marketplace for NFTs, empowering local artists, and supporting cultural initiatives. So their values, number one is transparency. All financial transactions and fund allocations are transparent and visible to the community. Regular reports are published for public scrutiny. Also, charity. A significant portion of the funds is dedicated to charitable activities, including feeding programs, financial aid, and educational initiatives. Number two is empowerment, empowering widows and the less privileged for financial stability, education, and digital literacy. Community, fostering a sense of community and togetherness among token holders and the beneficiaries. Technical overview, so they have the cryptocurrency details. They use blockchain technology, security protocols, transaction methods, integration with e-learning platforms, local payment gateways, smart contract implementation for farming, staking, and NFTs. Now their tokenomics here, token market price here, they started 0.3 USDT, it says, max total supply, 10 billion tokens. And how it's split up is 15% of the tokens are going to go to the team. Then we have 10% going to marketing and operation costs. We have 25% going to initial circulation, 12.5% business development and special projects, 12.5% for liquidity provision, and 25% for locked reserve. And then utility here, it says transactions. The token can be used for transferring value or making payments within the ecosystem. E-learning access. The token may grant access to educational content and services within the platform. Governance. Token holders may have the ability to participate in the governance of the project, which could improve voting on proposals or making decisions that impact the project's direction. Digital payments. Similar to the first point, the token can be used for digital payments within the ecosystem, indicating its role as a medium of exchange. Trading. Users may trade this token on exchanges, and it can be used as a trading pair for other cryptocurrencies. Farming. This typically refers to yield farming, where users can lock up their tokens to earn rewards, often through the form of more tokens. Staking. Staking typically involves locking up tokens to support the network security and in return earning rewards or fees. And non-fungible tokens. The token may be used to purchase or create NFTs within the ecosystem. So you can check all of this information out on their webpage, which is linked on that Twitter right there. And you can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global as of tomorrow. So check out the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.